Technology Decoded, in association with Deloitte, helping organizations solve their most complex business challenges. Visit Deloitte.ch.
And speaking today with Deloitte Director Richard Bradley. So hello again, Richard. We're looking at artificial intelligence today, and I think for many people, artificial intelligence brings up images of robots and the Terminator and all that sort of thing. We might be a little far away from that sort of thing, but artificial intelligence is already having an impact, isn't it?
Yeah, right. I think we're still quite far away from robots coming to attack us, Mark. But I think, artificial intelligence is really about creating and building machines that think and act like humans, right? And it's all around us. So, you've got an iPhone in your pocket, right? I have one in mine. So when we talk to Siri, we're talking to a piece of artificial intelligence. And Siri is, a great example of something that's collecting conversations from millions of people using iPhones around the world and giving you the result of that data analysis, which is better answers to your questions, right?
Okay, but it's people might think it's a new thing, but it's not. It's been around for quite a while.
It's been around, as a concept, it's been around for hundreds of years, right? So, if you look at Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, that was, to some extent, a robot, right?
True, yes.
But actually, as an area of computer science, it's been around since the 1950s. We first started thinking that we could build, very simple programs that could help us play chess, okay? Now, we've changed, and now information is much cheaper to collect and analyze, and now we can, build much better and let's say, more helpful uses of AI.
Okay, now you mentioned when we talked to Siri on our phones, that's artificial intelligence, but it's not just that. AI is cropping up in many different areas right now.
It is. If you watch Netflix, if you shop on Amazon, it's everywhere. It suggests products that you might be interested in. And actually, there's some argument to say that people like Netflix can use your viewing data to produce even better movies. And it's no accident that a Netflix production was almost a tip for the Oscar this year. And that's why. Okay,
so Netflix is collecting all that data about people's viewing habits and think, right, if we had a movie that contained all these elements,
exactly,
it will be a hit.
Yep.
Okay, but let's take a look at how it could change the way we work. I'm sure some people might be concerned that AI systems might in fact take their job, but I'm sure it's going to have an impact on how we do our jobs.
Right. So, we did a survey last year, Deloitte's Global Human Capital Trends report, and, about half of all the people that responded said that they were doing something in AI, but a really small percentage, around 7%, said that they were thinking about fundamentally changing how they do work. So I don't actually think we're all going to be out of a job tomorrow, but I think it's going to change the way in which we work, right? So we're going to have to find a place alongside, machines, which use our, let's say, fundamental human capabilities like, reasoning, like empathy, like the ability to be creative, which to some extent, artificial intelligence is not quite there yet.
Okay, we're a bit away from that.
We're a bit away from that. Yeah.
Robot artists.
Robots artists.
That's not going to happen now. However, there has been an impact. Like Amazon, I know, has been using robots equipped with artificial intelligence. That's actually having an impact on how they run their business and how they train their human staff.
Yeah, actually. So Amazon has about, I think, 100,000 robots, and they've actually reduced the training times for holiday workers to less than 2 days. That's great for Amazon. It's also great for the people working at Amazon because they can hire more people. Effectively, everyone has a job at Amazon. Okay,
so it's actually, in that respect, AI is increasing employment.
AI is increasing. It's going to triple in 2019.
Okay, now ethics. Is there an ethical element of AI we should actually be concerned about?
Yeah, I think there is. When humans make decisions, we want to know why they're making the decisions, right? If you're in a court of law, for example, so there's some transparency. It's very similar to machines, and as long as AI is a black box, we're going to have trouble accepting that into society. So I think, the next 24 months, you're going to see growth, not really in technology, but around how we position AI in our society and the transparency around that. So Elon Musk, for example, has created an open AI platform, which allows people to look at the AI code behind artificial intelligence and make judgments about it and reuse it. That's the first step, but I think we still need to see a lot more transparency around how these machines are making decisions.
Okay, Richard, thanks very much indeed. That was Richard Bradley there, a director at Deloitte.
Technology Decoded, in association with Deloitte, helping organizations solve their most complex business challenges. Visit Deloitte.ch.